Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hifimax. In this video, I want to show you how to connect the front camera and the reverse camera for the Android screen. This is the BMW Android screen. This is the power cable and the RCA cable. And this is the front camera, like this. And we offer this cable. I will tell you how to use this cable later. And this is the reverse camera, backup camera. And this is the power connector for the camera. And the camera have the video cable. So if you install the front camera, also install the backup camera, how to connect the cables, I will show you step by step here. First of all, please notice, in our power cable, it offers camera 12 here. It have a label like this. This offers the power for the camera here. I will show you the backup camera first. How to connect it. Backup camera connect to this cable. And it have two cables. One is black, the other one is red, right? The red cable is for the power. You need to connect like this. Connect this cable. Connect the red cable to video cable. In the video cable, you can see there's a cable on the yellow connector here. So the first step is to connect together these two cables, just like this. This is the first step. And this cable, please notice, another end of the video cable connect to here. Connect to here. That way, it will have the power here. When you reverse the gear, it will have the power come from here and go to video cable. And the power will go to the backup camera here. And please notice, this connector connect to here. And this side connect to the real camera connector. This is the backup camera connection. You can see, when have the power, you reverse the gear to the reverse mode. Then it have power go to here, and the backup camera active, and the video signal will go through here and go to the Android screen, right? This is the backup camera wire diagram. In fact, I also taught this in the past video. Now, if you install the front camera as well, how to connect it? Now, I will show you. This is the front camera, right? And connect to this. I just connect it. And then you will see there's a connector like this. This cable connect to the RCA cable. In the RCA cable, you will see there's a FF front camera in, right? That is for front camera. Connect it. And this RCA cable connect to the Android screen. The important thing is that the power. How to connect the power here. We offer this cable. You can see, we offer this cable because the power need to connect from the same power cable, camera 12 here. So with this connector, I can part into two parts. One is connect to the front camera for the power, and the other connector is connect to the backup camera here. See? That is perfect. When you reverse the key, the backup camera activate. And when you switch the gear to the driver and the front camera activate, then the video signal will go to the Android screen and you will see the front camera here. This is the wire diagram for the front camera and the backup camera. If you like the backup camera, you can go to our website here and click accessory. Here is the reverse camera and this is the front camera. Here you need to choose the car types right here. And for the reverse camera, click here. You need to make sure the size is the same. For example, when you install this model, you need to check the size here, the handler, and compare the size here. After that, you can choose the right models for your car. If you want to buy the Android screen, you can click here. All the Android screen in our website support front and reverse camera. Thank you very much.